This is like the jerky that they make. It's crazy. One day it'll dry out.
Come this side, bring some more customer here so that they can move over. Some of my, that's one of my, look how pregnant they are. You see?
Come over here, guys.
Pregnant. Some of them. That's a Charlie. Oh, the nice. Yeah. These are mama.
They're beautiful. They sound pretty angry at each other.
Oh, we should give you one more. Oh, look at the
Here you go, little one.
Oh, the goats are coming in too.